Hi, this is your host Parth Shukla. Once again, thank you so much for coming on Vanguard platform. We are the #1 consultancy for banking and insurance. Today, we are going to discuss a very small topic which makes a huge difference in terms of providing the document. That is why bank asks for the utility bill along with tenancy and the ijari. So Deva bill exactly which shows the bill that consumed by an individual or any corporate about the electricity and the water. So why bank asks for the utility bill specifically? Even you already provided the ijari or the tenancy contract, because banks as per the policy now want to ensure that property is not vacant. So means just by taking the rental property or your own property, that is not enough for the bank. If you're an individual person, if you're a businessman, bank wants to ensure that you are staying inside the UAE, you are using the property, and that is how they show, they check the consumption level inside the utility bill. If I talk about the policy of the bank, few banks have the limitations that your consumption should be above the threshold limit, that is different from bank to bank. So I always suggest it, guys, if you are taking any rental property, you make sure they use that property, because when bank asks to ensure the your existence, they definitely ask for the utility bill. Thank you so much.